car wash.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we're getting ready to go in. Okay, here we go. Someone tell me when to stop. There we go. Okay, here we go. It's the foamy that's washing all the dirt off.
The spray
It's the soapy, that's all sorts of soap.
It does.
Here comes more soap. Now we're gonna get some sprayers.
I will get out the soap.
Well, they're adding, it's like another coat of soap. It's another wash.
It's a laser washer.
Sure.
It stopped.
It's letting the soap do its job. And now the sprayers will probably come and start rinsing it off. Yep, there we go. Come sprayers over by me. Right, now they're getting the back. And they're gonna come over that window there. Here it comes. It's gonna come over by your window. Yeah.
They're gonna stop.
Wash now. Oh, now we got the tricolor foaming wax. Ooh, it's pretty, isn't it? Look at all the different colors.
Wet.
And that's gonna rinse it off. Now we're gonna get the surface sealant here, I guess. I don't know what that specifically does. Here comes the dryer. Wow, that is not very good at all.
Let's do it one more time.
Well, I wish they would, but I bet that's it. That's not a good one. That's not a good job.
I
I know you would run if you ran them. They'd be great, right?
I will